Here I just wanted to show this custom 584C panel program card. Basically this goes in the back of one of the 584C panels, and it would engage a few different options for distributing interrupter signals for lamps. And if you look at this schematic here for a 584C, you'll see right here's the program card, and all it's doing is bridging or switching the leads between one set or the other. And so here I just wanted to show my fake program card. I didn't want to deal with trying to track down a replacement card and waiting for it to get here, because really I'm never gonna ever pull it out anyway, but I still made it removable. Basically I just traced one of these regular line cards pinouts onto a piece of cardboard, and then I cut a brass fastener. So these are like what you get at like Staples or a craft store to hold pages together instead of staples. And I just cut it into small strips that is long enough to cover over 2 pin slots, because that's all that the program card does, is bridge either between, for instance, these, or basically there's a center contact, which is this one / this one, and basically on the opposite side, instead of bridging between these two, it'll bridge between these two, then these two, so on. This particular side that I've made so far is for program A, but I'll be making program C next. I did try and put it on a PCB board, but this was actually too thick with the brass fasteners and glue, so I'm putting it on cardboard now. Anyway, I just wanted to document this if anyone else is hoping to design a replacement card for the program slot, so that way you can actually get your interrupter signals working. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know.